Yes, wala. There's a whistle. It's a foul called on number 17. It's a loose ball foul called on Velasco. First personal foul called on Velasco.
Si Wachile yung i-video mo. Sana si Wachile dito.
Ramos.
Ayun o, si Wachile yun.
Sawi. Drives in. Wala. Recover by Sawi. Is still no good. Last touch by Sawi. Turnover to the Repardil Warriors.
Oo nga, ikaw nga ang last year eh.
Lanusa. Who received the inbound pass ni Lanusa. Lanusa to Madla. Drives in. Wala. Recovered by Navarro. Sapra. To Velasco. Fade away shot. Yes, good for 2 by Velasco. Ramos ngayon. May taka ng bola para sa left breakers. Is still Ramos to Sawit. Sawit. Runaway shot, no good. Sapra to Madla. Madla nagmamadali. To Lanusa. Nice block by Sawit. Navarro, 100. Yes, good for 2. Pascual. Sawit. To Salazar. Salazar. To Ramos. Balik kay Sawit. Sawit. Drives in. No good. Big rebounding by Pascual. Velasco. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni Ramos. Long pass to Sawit. Listening Sawit. Sawit.
Ang ganda!
Yes. Good for 2.
Ucha! Ang ganda nun ah.
Last 5 minutes, 35 seconds left. Sapra. To Velasco. Rajin. Yes, an easy layup by Velasco. Good for 2. Sawit ngayon. Sawit. Tumira ng 3. Yes. 3 points. Ramon Sawit. Inbounding Pascual to Madla. Madla to Lanusa. Mukhang babawi. Sapra, babawi sa 3. Pinasa kay Velasco. Velasco, 100 layup. Wala. Ball possession. Arrow. It's same ball. Same ball.
Ano ba team si Gaga?
Inbounding Velasco to Madla.
Cristobal Warren.
Madla. 100. Wala. Big rebounding by Sawit. Sawit. To Cordoba. Pumorma sa 3. Air ball. Inbounding Pascual. Oh, sige. Good for 2. Time out.